Hi everyone, this is Technotrix B, and with the advancement of technology and the invention of the internet, however, purchasing item has been drastically simplified. A few years ago, personally I used to think that online we buy goods like laptop or other costly appliances that are rejected or damaged items from the company, because we used to see the lots of discounts on it comparing to the offline market. But at the time of today, all these things are just false. Shopping online certainly has its advantages. It's easy to compare price without spending time driving from the store to store. Despite the ease of things, but you have to always consider the fact that not everything is cheaper online. It's too much of risk to buy something you have not tried, so always there remain a few items you are better off purchasing in person. Here we stack up a few things that are not worth buying online. Phone back cover or flip cover. Especially with this product, just by opening the package you will realize you have made a mistake. The color or quality is going to differ from what you have expected, and in offline market you will definitely going to save money on this. Prices will be going to double or thrice if you choose to buy online, and additionally you have to pay the shopping cost on it. Always buy these things from the nearby market. OTG USB on the go. Yes, you believe it or not, I have bought the OTG cable at just 20 rupees and it is still working. But if you're going to buy the product online, you have to pay around minimum of 80 rupees or minimum of 300% of hike up in the price. I will recommend you just go to the nearby shop. Around you will going to pay 30 or 40 rupees. Just buy it offline, man. Maybe quite possible that the shop from where you are going to buy at cost of 30 or 40 rupees has put on Amazon with that price 80 to 19 rupees. Not branded earphones or any other electronic device like power bank. Well, first of all, never buy cheap brandless earphones, and never, I repeat, never buy these earphones or other cheap Chinese electronics items online. Reasons are for the sake of your health and care of your money. Most importantly, you don't know when these cheap electronics items can show you a middle finger when you need them most. Telling this from my personal experience, maybe this happened to you too. If yes, comment your experience and always consider this thing before buying any product. Those items are having only seller warranty, not the manufacturer warranty. Always read those fine line about the seller warranty. HDMI cable or micro USB cable like Type C or etc. Same prices you will going to face with this product too. Well, it can be easier to judge the quality of the wire when you purchasing it offline rather than relying solely on what you see on a screen. The same thing happened with the clothes curtain too, so be aware before buying those products. Display, LCD panel or any other spare parts of your electronic gadgets. If you are ordering these things, then definitely I guess you have enough knowledge regarding these products. Like if you are living in Delhi, then definitely you should first check out the product in the Gafar market. And if you are living in any other city, then definitely there will be a place which is famous for the electronics. Just for my personal knowledge and to help other people, comment down the market name next to your city name. Very much interested in this part. If I am talking about the price difference between online and offline about these products, let's recall the Redmi Note 4. Redmi Note 4 LCD panel. I have paid 900 rupees in Gafar market for the display folder, and in Amazon the minimum price at that time was 2100 rupees. Just see the difference. And this is not just for the display, the same thing will going to happen with other parts like battery, also some electronics part you will not going to see on the famous e-commerce platform. Home decorative items like glass, ceramic items, curtains, pillows, these items going to be quite different from the picture perfect item you see on the website. You don't get to see the quality, color and feel when buying online, and you could end up with something that's not the quality you were expecting. Today all these websites are running big sale season, but I have come across so many products which are easily available for cheap in your local shops even after all the discounts offered by the online website. So it is always better to compare before buying, and especially always read the return policy before buying any product. Always check the seller before buying it. It is not Amazon who is responsible for bad packing or defective product. The seller is responsible for this. So always check the rating of seller before buying anything. Recently my friend bought a router from Amazon and he found a cigarette box in it. You will not going to believe, I was there. So just trust me. I will link down his video in the description box. Obviously he was filming an unboxing video of it. That can serve as proof if anything goes wrong. I would always recommend you should also film unbox video of the products which you are going going to buy online. If you found it broken or anything, your video will help you in the successful return if condition is against you at the time. But as per my experience, to return the goods, Amazon is quite friendly to compare the Flipkart or another e-commerce website. I hope these tips will make your shopping easy, and if you liked my work and want to away the loved one people around you, feel free to share this video, and have any doubt, feel free to comment. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.